Alright guys, for creating accounts within, or for adding your accounts I should say, within the AdBlasta tool, you will see here that we can put in the username and password for your Google Ads account. Leave the proxies. We do not need proxies when we're logging into Google, okay? And Google Ads is kind of pre-chosen, there's no other choice. Once you've added that, you're going to make sure you've checkboxed and start authorizing accounts. When that's done, it will be green like this. Now this API authorization is confusing a lot of people. I've asked my coder to remove this. It should not be there, okay? Why is it there in the first place? Because we have a framework that we use for all of our desktop softwares, and all of these tools you see here on the left hand side, these are like plugins. We build tools within plugins that you put into the software framework. So every software is going to have for proxies, for captures, for indexing, all that kind of stuff, because it's part of the framework. But not every account needs all of those. I have asked for this API authorized column to be removed here. When you have managed to connect with your Google Ads account and it turns green here, that's all you need. Because we have built in some caching here, so that it recognizes next time you go to log in. So therefore we don't need any API key for the Google Ads, okay? We just don't need an API key for Google Ads. Now next, we had somebody who thinks that you need to do the YouTube first, and then you do the AdWords, and then you do the Bing in that kind of order. Well, that's not correct either, okay? Do the one you need to use. It doesn't have to be in order. And for the YouTube API key, it's only needed for one tool, and that's for the Vid Series Optimizer. If you're using the Vid Series Optimizer, that's the only tool that is using the YouTube API key. If you are not using Vid Series Optimizer, you do not need this, okay? I put in some information about that on the actual thank you page so that you can use that. I think I might have actually changed the thank you page. I'll double check it, make sure we got that in there, but I'll put a list of what you need API keys for these specific tools, so you know if you don't have that tool or you don't plan to use that tool, you don't need to put the YouTube API key in here, okay? Now for Bing, it does need an API key. It's very quick and very easy to set up. The instructions are in the tutorial area for the Bing ads, for the Microsoft ads training, okay? And I've also got some extra training that I bought. It's actually a PLR for this. But it can give you very, very specific instructions about Microsoft ads. For example, like how to increase the budget on your campaign, or how to adjust the budget on a campaign, for example. Those kind of little short videos that I got, and it's actually a very, very good course on Microsoft ads. It's called Microsoft Ads Training Kit, sorry. And it is PLR, but it's really good content because you can go and find those little bits of information very quickly as well. I will give you access to that as well. We're going to upload that into the AdBlasta website, so you're able to access that as well. Okay, so that's all you need to know. Just add your Google account. Just click on here, click on add, username, password, click OK, connect. If it's green, you're good to go. Next time you go to log in there, it's already got that caching enabled so that it recognizes you. It will go into your Google account, and I will get this API authorized column removed as quickly as possible, okay? Thanks.